Hello, my name is Theo, and I'm going to be presenting the home alarm system without the alarm. My goal was to build a home alarm system without the alarm. It basically has buttons, ultrasonic sensor, and 4 LEDs. I did not know what to call it, so I made up a name. I have used 4 LEDs, an ultrasonic sensor, 1 button, resistors, and 13 male-female wires. And so the program is that I imported a library here, and I named all my LEDs. I have 4 LEDs. And then my buttons and trig and echo are here. And over here is when I started my ultrasonic sensor. And then over here is the distance from where I put my LEDs here. And so it'll shine when it gets to a specific distance. And over here, if I push my first button over here, it'll break and then it'll start again. It took about 50 to 100 times because some days the wiring would not work. And so I'm playing it now. So because it is at, the distance is 4, it right now is shining. So if I push this button, it'll start all over again.
Any question?
Yes.
What's the most challenging part of this project?
I don't know. Probably like getting the wiring right.
Any more questions? Please give her a round of applause.